Okay, so you guys, we're gonna make the turkey, but first we're gonna put lemon on it. So I have 5 lemons here cut up. Para limpiar el pavo ocupamos 5 limones o lo que usted desea.
Like the sauce, okay, leave it in. We'll go inside the turkey.
So you guys, the turkey's all clean. We took all the lemon out. We cleaned it good. Now I'm gonna leave it about 10 minutes so all the water that's still inside the turkey will drain and we'll throw that water away. So give it 10 minutes. So you guys, while we wait for the turkey to drain all the water, vamos a esperar que el pavo bote toda la agua. I'm gonna show you what you guys need to marinate the turkey. Les voy a enseñar lo que ocupan para marinar el pavo. Okay, we need cilantro and culantro. We need half of a jalapeno, 3 celery sticks, la mitad de un jalapeno and 3 palitos de apio. We need, hold on, let me get on focus. We need half of an onion, la mitad de una cebolla, y 7 clavos de ajo. We need 7 heads of garlic. We need mustard, mostaza. We need caldo sabor a pollo powder. We need naranja agria, which is a sour orange. We need mojo. We need salsa inglesa, which is Worcestershire sauce. I'm gonna use this. Voy a usar esto que allá en mi tienda hondureña, que es pimienta con comino. If you guys can't find this, it's okay. You could put black pepper in with cumin and mix it up, or just put cumin and barbecue sauce de barbacoa, y también una licuadora, of course a blender, and then let's get started. So let me put this to the side. So let's cut culantro and put it in here. Vamos a cortarlo. También las ramas de cilantro. No ocupas esto, but si quieres lo puedes usar. You don't have to use it. You could use it though. The half of an onion. La mitad de la cebolla. Los 7 cabezas de ajo, 7 garlic heads. The half of jalapeno, la mitad del jalapeno. Y chicas, lo estoy haciendo en español porque hay mucha gente que me dice, pues también habla español para que podamos entender. So también lo estoy haciendo para ustedes. And then for the chicken sabor de pollo, we just need 2 teaspoons of it, 2 cucharadas de sabor de pollo. And then for this, we just need half of a cup. So we could do half of a cup of the sour orange naranja agria. And for this, we just need also half a cup, la mitad de vaso también del mojo. We need 1 teaspoon of the Worcestershire sauce, salsa inglesa, una cuchara. También una cuchara de comino con pimienta. So half of a teaspoon of cumin with black pepper, or either what you prefer. So for the barbecue sauce, we just need half of a cup. Sorry, media vaso de la salsa barbecue. And then for the mustard, we just need 1/4 of it. Un cuarto de vaso de mostaza. So you guys will get to blend everything that we just put in there. And then when we're done, we're gonna see if we need salt. So you guys, I tasted it. It don't need no salt because we added all that stuff, and that stuff already has salt in it. We don't need no salt. But now I'm gonna put the marinade in the container. In this container right here. Let's make this right here. So you guys, don't throw this out. There's a final step to it that I haven't told you guys, that I forgot to tell you. But don't throw this out because we can still use it. So you guys, we got our turkey. Got the turkey already. All the water has drained. Here's my marinade. So you guys, now we're gonna marinate the turkey with my marinade with el marinado que hice. Now, también traté de inyectarlo, no pude, chicas. I could not do it. I could not. The meat injector did not let me inject the turkey because like you see the little culantro y cilantro is like too big, so it doesn't allow it to. So we're just gonna do it how we can. Just just put it on there. This is messy, you guys. So on this side, okay, turn it around. Let me put some right here. And right here, you guys, this part right here, lightly put your hand in here and tear it, like the skin, tear the skin apart with it. Try be careful, you guys, because it could go bad. Okay, see. So we can marinate the breast, because this is where it has to get really juicy when you're cooking it. Okay, slightly in here. Once we're able to completely put our hands inside the breast, okay, get our marinade it inside. So the special ingredient is Dos Equis. So you guys, it cut off. I already put some in here, but you could use any kind of beer. You could use any kind of wine. It's up to you. Or if you want, don't use nothing at all. I'm gonna just mix the rest of the marinade in here and put it on top of the turkey. So you guys, you let the turkey marinate for for a whole 24 hours. And we'll just wrap it up and put it in the refrigerator. So lo vamos a dejar de posar por 24 horas. Le pones papel aluminio y lo guardas por 24 horas. So you guys, right now I have a 16-quart pan where I'm going to put my turkey in. But first we'll spread butter on it. So what I'm doing here is putting butter so it won't stick. So I'm going to add my butter right here. Just spread it all over your little pan. You guys, it's been sitting for like almost 2 days. And it's like 5 o'clock in the morning. I'm going to put it in. So I'm going to let it cook for 2 hours until I put the other sauce. And I'm going to show you what you guys need for the other sauce. So you guys will preheat your oven to 375. So I'm going to put bake. Put 375. And then put start. So I have my turkey rack right there, and that's where I'm going to put my turkey. So you guys, once you have your turkey inside the pan that you could cook it in, we put aluminum foil. And you can cover it up. And you can cook it about 2 hours. After 2 hours, we can put the sauce that goes with it. And I'm gonna show you how to do it. So you guys, we got the turkey in the oven and it's ready to cook, y'all. We'll be back in 2 hours. So you guys, after 2 hours, we're gonna make the sauce. So you're gonna need a half a cup of ranch, a half a cup of tomatoes, well, ketchup, half a cup of Prego tomato sauce. We need half of a cup of mayo, half a cup of gamma. You could use any Honduran gamma or Salvadorian gamma. You need 2 teaspoons of sugar and 2 cups of the turkey broth. So you guys, once we have our ingredients inside the blender, we just go ahead and blend it. So I'm gonna go add like a little pinch of achote so it could give it color. So you guys, now that we have the sauce on top of the turkey, we're gonna let it cook about 2 hours. But for the first hour, we'll get check it. After the hour, every 15 minutes, we're gonna be checking it and putting juice on top of it. So this is the final product of the turkey, how my turkey came out. So if you guys like the recipe, let me know.